Hi, I'm Christian Campbell and welcome to CRUINNIÚ LATE. Wow, that was unbelievable. Everyone enjoyed themselves and had a great time here in Blanchardstown Library. Wow, painting was so much fun. Now I'm going to try my hands in Dungeons and Dragons themed fantasy map making. Come with me. Now we're finally at Millennium Park, where local artists are playing on the stage and having great crack as it's in full swing at the moment. So here I am with Reen. Reen's going to be on the stage very shortly. Tell us, what is the best part of CRUINNIÚ so far?
The best part of CRUINNIÚ LATE is probably just being here with all these young people doing the same thing. We're just all performing. It's great crack.
Wow, what a fantastic day. I had a great time. I hope you did as well. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.